Yeah. How was your day?
Yeah, it's going good.
How about Lakshmi?
Yeah, it was quite normal. How about you?
Um, bad, I guess so. Holidays, staying at home, bored.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So I want to rest it on a video. Oh my god.
What?
I want to rest it on your video.
Okay, just a minute.
I'm outside right now. So only
Okay.
I was
Yeah, I think you guys cannot see my face as I'm in the dark. Please forgive me.
Yeah, that's all right.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So as Payal did not attend the class, few classes.
yeah. I was in my village like last
Yeah,
class. My
I got to know.
grandfather was
Yeah, I got to know. I got to know. I'm
yeah.
so sorry about it. Uh,
Yeah.
we were learning about classes and objects. I think you know about it. Did you watch the recording?
Not yet. Like I came back day before yesterday, I guess, and yesterday I didn't see it.
Okay, after this class, try to watch it and complete it because if you do not watch it, you'll not understand furthermore. So,
Oh, sure. Okay.
yeah. Today, we are going to learn a new topic in classes and objects, which is mainly based on class, which is called inheritance. You know what is the meaning of inheritance, right? Normally.
Yeah.
What is it?
Like inheritance means you get from like inheritance for normal people or human being. Like inheritance means you get from your ancestors or from your grandfather, right?
Yeah. Like that only. In Python, you get like the features from your parent. You know, there's parent class and child class. You're gonna get it when I'm explaining. I will just share my screen. Can you guys see my screen?
Not yet. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
visible now.
1 minute. Not zooming in. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So, inheritance, the basic of inheritance is just you get the features from the parent. From parent class to child class, you transfer the features. I mean, not transfer, just copy paste. Get it right.
Oh, can you repeat once again?
Like
Your voice
inheritance,
is low.
am I audible?
You're audible, but just increase your volume.
Um, Am I clear now?
Yeah.
Yeah, but be bit louder.
Yeah. So, yeah. So inheritance is like getting the features from your parent to yourself. Just imagine that in Python. From the parent class, you're gonna get the features to the child class. I'll just show you. So class parent clear initialize child name age none self dot name and age. So this is the parent class. If you can see here, this is the parent class where the parameters are name and age, And you know that the special parameter self, oh, sorry, yeah, special parameter self dot name equals to name as we use it. And now we create the child class child, and inside this parenthesis, you're gonna type in the parent class. Parent. For inheritance, you're gonna type it like this. Once you create this child class, you're gonna write in the parent class name inside parenthesis. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now that initialize self age. The same thing, you're gonna write it, but here you're gonna use a method super parenthesis dot the initialize sequence. And then parenthesis name age. So we created the child class which inherits the parent's features. So we use this super init to get the constructor for the child class from the parent class. Did you get it? This is like a special function, a key to
Okay.
get the features from the parent to the child. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys don't get it, just ask me.
Sure.
Now we create an object child equals sorry, child. This is the object name child. This is the class we created child. Now inside this parenthesis, I'm gonna give the value for name and age. As we have inherited the features from the parent to child class, we can give the values inside this parenthesis itself. I'm gonna give it, yeah, I'll take Alex itself. This age to be 14, and then print child dot name. It's gonna print the child name, print child dot name, and then print child dot age. Now let's see the output. You can see here it printed the name Alice and the age 14. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, we got.
Yeah. Now let us create another example to make it clear for you. I just use this to make you understand. Now a real life example. We'll take a dog class dog there and self name breed and then self the name person name self dot breed equals to breed. So now we create the child class. Dhanalakshmi, can you explain the function of this class?
Can you repeat it once again?
Can you explain the function of this class?
Okay, like, should I explain that?
Yeah, yeah,
So, first we'll write the class name as dog and we'll write the parameters as name and breed and
mm,
we'll write the arguments as self dot name and self dot breed.
yeah. correct, but it was correct, but whenever next time I ask you, you also should tell me this one. Initialize.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think Payal just left the class. And yeah, she's gonna join. Now we are gonna create the child class, which is a puppy. And then if any child name, yeah, I forgot this. As it is inheritance, we are gonna give the name of the parent class here inside the parenthesis, and then colon here. Oh, yeah. Self, name, and breed as a parameter. I mean, name and breed as a parameter, and then the special function super init, and then name and breed. Now it has been inherited from the parent class. Now we create an object, my puppy equals puppy. Can you just give me a name for the dog? I mean puppy. Uh, can you just give me the name for the puppy?
Lucy.
Mm, and then the breed. Yeah, mm, I hope the spelling is correct. Labrador. And then we print the name and then the breed. Now let us see the output. Dhanalakshmi, you have to turn on your video. Spyal cannot.
Yeah, wait.
So here you can see the puppy's name Lucy and then the breed Labrador. So now I'm gonna tell you a shorter method to inherit it. This was the first topic, which is using the init method. You mean the special function super init to inherit from the parent class. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now instead of writing this long code, we are gonna write pass. And then pass and then it prints Alice 14. The age and sorry, the name and the age. Did you get it? It just passes
Yeah.
from here to here.
Okay.
Same here.
Can you do it again? I'm having internet issues, so like the screen got stuck for me.
Yeah, I'm doing it here. So instead of writing that long code, we are gonna write pass and then this information will be passed from here to here. And then if we run it, we're gonna get the name Lucy and Labrador breed. Did you guys get it? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you get it, say yes. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
What about pile?
Yeah, I got.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute, I wrote something.
Like, is it like just if we write the pass and the code which we have given for class parent will pass for the class child? Is it like that?
Yeah, yeah. So this is one method, and the method which I taught you previously is the init method. It's a special function. Super init is a special function which you use in certain situations, like when you want to write a long code. You know, code readability, right? In the first class, I mean, in the beginning, code
Yeah.
readability. Yeah, for
Mm.
that we can use super init.
Okay.
So we'll move on to the next topic. Mm, Within init, like the super init topic, we're gonna add attributes also. Um, edit this only. So for the parent class, it's like this, and then for the child class, df init, and then say look at name, age, and then name, age, and for the child, what else can we add? Grade, grade, grade is the parameter, and then for the name and age, only the name and age. Grade, it's not in the parent class, as it is not there in the parent class. We are not gonna inherit from the parent. Only the name and the age we are gonna inherit from the parent class. So here you can see df super dot in init, and then name, age. Only these two we want the inheritance from the parent class. So now we are gonna give the value for this parameter grade. There is no attributes in this, only parameter grade. Okay, so dot grade equals to grade. Now we are gonna give the value for grade inside this 14, and she is in 8th grade. Okay, and then we're gonna print it, print child dot grade. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we run the code. It will show us name, age, and grade. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in this dog code also, we are gonna change this df init, and then child breed, and age. And then super dot init, and then parenthesis, name and breed. It's gonna be inherited from the parent class. Name and breed. Did you get it?
Okay.
Yeah. What about pile? Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Now we give the value for age, self dot age equals age, and then in here we're gonna give it the value. What do you guys want the puppy's age to be?
3 months.
Three. I'll give three. And then I want the puppy's age to be printed. Print my puppy dot age. See, now we can see the name, the breed, and then the age of that puppy. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we'll just do a summary. There are still some topics, just a summary for you guys. Inheritance is like getting the properties from a parent to a child, from the parent class to the child class. We can use the superinit method or using pass. Did you get it? The first topic?
Yeah.
Yeah. Payal, what about you?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. And then it is with using the superinit method, we can only inherit the features which are there in the parent class, and we can add an extra feature in the child class if we want here. Did you guys get it?
Can you repeat it once again?
Like
Yeah,
we added the grade in child class, we can add it for like in child class we can add.
yeah,
Did you?
yeah. Like we can inherit only these features from the parent class. If you want the child to be more mm, upgraded, you can add some more information also, like grade, age, what else, mm, hobbies, etc. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now moving on to the next topic, defining attributes and methods for the child class. Dhanalakshmi, can you tell me what are attributes?
Yeah. So attributes are which are inside a class.
Mm,
Uh,
like
okay, okay. Just a minute.
it is not
So
specified.
it is inside a class in the form of variable.
Yeah, yeah. So attributes are not inside this parenthesis, which are inside this parenthesis are called parameter, which are not inside this parenthesis, and here if we create another variable called self dot color equals white, this is called an attribute. And attribute has a fixed value. We will give its value in the class itself. Did you get it?
Can you repeat once again? That's a network issue here.
Uh, so attributes are like which are not inside this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis are called parameter.
Okay.
Outside is Wait, yeah. Outside the parameter are called attributes. So we can create an attribute color equals white. So attributes have fixed value which cannot be changed and has which has been created inside the class itself. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now defining attributes and methods for the child class is like a child class can have extra attributes and methods that the parent does not have. Wait, let Payal join. Yeah. So defining attributes and methods for the child class is like a child class can have extra attributes and methods that the parent does not have. It makes the child class more specialized and different from the parent class. So we'll just try out code. The parent class will be like this. The child class, it will have, wait, the parent class, we can have a method. So whenever we say a method, it will be a function. Okay. Is it clear? Whenever we say a method, it will be a function. Is it clear for you guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Produce self. We are only gonna give self in here as self contains these two, name and breed, and then print, sorry, not print, return f string, hi, um, as we are using f string here, we can use flower brackets, self dot name. Whichever name we give in here, it's gonna be added here. Self dot name, and then sorry, I am self dot age years old. Okay, for the parent class, this is for the parent class. We created a function, and then whenever we run it, it will return the this statement. I am dash and I am dash years old. And now this this thing is a method. As the topic is about defining attributes and methods, first this is a method from the parent class. Now we will create an attribute. Now will not consider grade as a parameter. Now we'll consider it as an attribute. So we'll create an attribute self dot grade and it will be fixed as it is a attribute. The value of it will be fixed. So I want it to be ninth grade. Now as it is not a parameter anymore, we'll erase this value. We'll erase it and then we'll create a method here also, which is a function def introduce self, only self, and then return f string hi um yeah, I am dash name and I am dash years old and I am in grade dash. Did you get it?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
got. So this is method.
Yeah. This function is method. This and this is method and this is an attribute which has fixed value. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Now we don't want these three, as the name, age, and grade will already be here in the method. We'll erase it, and then we will print. We'll call the function child dot introduce. Child dot introduce. Child dot introduce. We called the function. The method. Now we run it. Here you can see, hi, I'm Alice. I am 14 years old and I am in ninth grade. Here we gave the value of name as Alice, value of age as 14, and the attribute grade as 9. It is fixed. It cannot be typed in here inside the parentheses. Did you get it? I'll go on with the next
Just a
example.
minute. Can we write the grade also inside in the same, like Alice 14 and 9?
You can write it only if it is a parameter. If grade is inside here or here, not not there, here, sorry, my bad. If grade is inside here, as this is the child class, if you add grade, you will not give the value here. You will give it like this: grade self dot grade equals, and then wait, my bad. Yeah, sorry, that was my mistake. Please forgive me. The grade should be added in here as a parameter if you want the grade to be typed in here inside the parenthesis. Did you get it?
Okay, yeah.
Uh,
Do
as I
this
did the
both are
mistake, as I did the
uh,
mistake, don't do the same mistake as writing the parameter inside this, as only these two features will be inherited from the parent and the grade feature is not there in parent class. Did you guys get it?
okay. Okay.
Yeah. So as we are dealing with attributes, we don't need this parameter. We will give the value 9 and erase this here.
Both are different methods, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now with the dog example, we'll not consider age as a parameter. It is attribute, and then we'll give the value as 3 and erase it here. And then method def method play, and then self return f string self dot name is playing with a ball. Now it is a method in the parent class now. Now I gave the attribute part is done. Now I want the method def play self return f string f wait a minute, f string, and then self dot name self is playing with a ball and is self dot age months old. So in you can see here we use this attribute. Defining attributes and methods is like whenever you use a method, there should be an attribute. Not like it is compulsory. If you create an attribute here, you should have an attribute here also. It's not compulsory. It would be fine, and you will not have to write a long code like this. And then just call the method now. Print my puppy dot play. For the puppy, uh, we're gonna call the method, which is this one. And then it's gonna print that Lucy is playing with a ball and is 3 months old. Did you get it? This topic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's move on to the next topic, which is overwriting methods from the parent class. It's easy actually. Like you will, a child class can change the behavior of the parent class with a method, using a method, which is called overriding. It is actually already here. Here in the method, we had this line, which is hi, I'll take this value. Hi, I'm Alice. I am 14 years old. Now in the child class, we modified it. Hi, I'm Alice and I am 14 years old and I am in grade 9. This is called overriding,
Okay.
like modifying it. Here also you can see it was self name is playing with the ball. Here we changed it to self name is playing with the ball and is dash year months old. Did you get it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's overwriting, and you can also change it if you want, like barking for a dog. Uh, Let me just show you. I'll change it to bark self, and then is barking. Self name is barking, and then here I'm gonna change it to bark and barking. As I said, it is not always necessary to use this, and I'm gonna delete this barking with excitement. So I modified the statement and I gave the and I'm calling the method or the function here puppy dot bark, and then it's gonna give the statement Lucy is barking with excitement. Did you guys get it? Overriding?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So listen to it carefully as you'll be having the assignment, and I'm gonna tell it in the last. Now, next topic is instances as attributes. So, instances is like the function the class here which you use here, parent, and then here dog. This is called instance. The parent class
Okay.
name is called instance, and then you use it as an object in the child class or in another class. Did you get it?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, once more.
So, yeah, the parent class name is called as instance. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we use this instance inside this child class as an attribute, as an attribute.
Okay. Okay.
Inside this child class or any other class as an attribute. So I'm just gonna show you with other example, not this. So just imagine in a car any car, there will be engine, right? In
Yeah.
all the cars, there will be engine. So that engine will have type, horsepower, etc., etc. So now we'll take type and horsepower, and then that should be inherited to the car too, right? In the car
Yep.
also it should be there. Okay, I'm gonna explain it while doing the code. Class engine. We created a parent class here, and then def as usual init, and then self and type, and then horsepower. Now we're gonna give it the parameter self dot type equals to type, and then self dot horsepower is equals to horsepower. Now we will create a method to start the engine. Self, and then print. You can either use print, no, you should use print, and then f string self dot type engine with self dot horsepower is starting. Yeah, is starting. So here we created a method which says dash engine with dash horsepower is starting. Now we will also create another method which will show the details. Show details. And then it is self print f string engine type self dot type and print horsepower self dot horsepower. Did you get it till here?
Yeah.
This is the parent class. This is the parent class. So this is the special init function. Here we have the type and horsepower as parameter, and then here we will create a method, and here also a method which will show the details, and then we will create a child class which is car, as the car inherits this engine properties.
Lepana,
Yeah,
the second method, is it necessary?
it's
Start
not
self.
it's not necessary. Just for your understanding, it will be more broader for a real
Okay.
life topic.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we are going to use the car as child class, as it will be inheriting the properties of engine, because in real life cars will be having engine which will have these properties, right? Horsepower and type. So okay, we are going to create a child class in which it will be init, and then self brand. We are adding some extra um, masale to this child class. We take it as that model, brand and model, and then here self dot brand, sorry, brand equals to brand, and self dot model equals to model, This is not inheritance. Keep in mind, this is not inheritance. It's just attribute instance as attributes. We are getting these properties into this child class. We are not using this init, super init method or the pass method. We are using it as an attribute. You are gonna understand further. And then we will, now we will inherit it. Like not inheriting, we are getting the properties. Surf dot engine equals to engine. So it is like an object, you just think it as an object or attribute which is getting the properties of engine. We are passing on the properties of engine to this. Did you get it?
Yeah.
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 So now inside this, as in engine, here we give the parameter type and horsepower. We are gonna give the value here inside it. Type and horsepower. Type let me give it as petrol and then horsepower let it be 150. 150. And then now we create a method. Def car info like this. These all are the basic needs when you go to buy a car. You will check the horsepower, type, and all. And in the car, you will check the brand and model, right? The quality of the engine and all. So that is why it is like this. As I'm taking a real life example. Did you guys? Are you guys getting it?
Yeah, yeah.
What about then, Lakshmi?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Car info, self, and then print, F string, car equals the brand and the model, brand and the model, self dot brand and self dot model, and then self, no, no, no. And then we create another method to start the car. Here, start car. So, if you guys have any doubt, please tell me. I just feel like I'm yapping here. Print starting the car. This is not really necessary, just to make you guys understand and doing it.
Okay.
Now we will add to start it, we need the engine to start first, right? To start the car, we need to start the engine first, right?
Yeah.
So now we
Hmm.
will start the engine now. So self dot engine dot start. We are calling the method we created in the engine uh, class. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yeah,
Yeah. First it will print this one and then we will create another method to show the engine details. The here we created the engine details, right? So I need that to be printed. So I'm gonna create a method to print it. The show engine self and then self dot engine dot show details. As we are calling the function, we are gonna use the show details as we created the method here as show details. We're gonna add create it as engine dot show details. Did you guys get it? We are calling that function. Are you guys getting what I'm teaching?
yeah.
Yeah.
So here this is the parent class and this is the child class. And this is, wait, my laptop is not responding. Give me a minute. Yeah. So, and this is instance, instance engine, which is the class as an attribute. We are passing the value of engine into self engine. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, can you repeat it once again?
So this is the instance or the parent class engine, and we are passing on the value of engine into self engine. Did you get it?
Okay.
Yeah. So now we create an object, my car equals to car. We are calling the child class here car and giving the value for brand and model inside parenthesis Toyota and Camry. I'm just gonna give the AI's, yeah, not this, not now. Yeah. So here I gave the value for the brand and then the name for the model. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we are gonna call the function my car dot car info car car info car information. We are calling this function now. It's gonna print the model, self brand and model, and then my car dot show engine. It's gonna so I'm calling this function now show engine which has this method show details which is this one, so it's gonna print this the engine uh, details, and then my car dot start car. I'm calling this function now which will print starting car first and then engine start which will print this one later. Are you guys getting it?
Yeah.
What about Dhanalakshmi?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we will run the code. So here you can see car Toyota Camry. As we gave, as we called the car info function first, here we wanted the car brand and model, and here it printed Toyota and Camry, and then we called show engine function, which is here, and then which contains the method show details. Show details is here, which gives engine type, which I gave it as petrol, and then horsepower, this method contains horsepower, and I gave the value of horsepower as 150. It printed the horsepower, and then we then called the start car function, which had this statement first, starting the car, and then it printed starting the car. And then we called this method inside this method. We added this method inside this method, which is engine.start. Engine.start or start method is an engine class which has this statement, which is petrol engine with 150 horsepower starting, and it was printed here. Did you get it now?
Yeah.
Dhanalakshmi, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So that's it for today's class. Only that much topic. Um, I have no quiz for you guys to ask, and I'm gonna wait a minute.
Like, what about the assignment?
Yeah, wait. I'm thinking about it. So we'll just summarize now, and then I'll give you. Dhanalakshmi, can you summarize what and all I taught you? Anyone? Dhanalakshmi or Payal? Am I audible?
Can you repeat it once again?
Can anyone summarize what and all I taught today?
Yeah, like everything.
Yeah, I want to check your attentiveness.
Yeah, so I'll go first. So
Yeah,
first, today we taught like we learned about the topic inheritance, in which we learned about class, parent, and child. Sorry, child class and parent class. Then we learned about method, like function, how we use the methods in between, and attributes. And then we did it with a lot of, we use this in the examples. Yeah.
yeah. So let me summarize it also. So first we learnt about inheritance, which means getting the properties from the parent class to the child class. And then we went with the special function superinit to inherit from the parent class. And then pass, which is also another method to inherit from the parent class. And then defining attributes and methods, which is attributes have definite value, and we use methods in parent and child class to modify it also. And then we learned about overwriting, which is we modify the method of from the parent class. We modify the method in the parent class in child class. Are you guys getting it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we modified it here, overwriting, and then instances as attributes, which is instances means the parent class name, and then wait, yeah, the parent class name as an attribute, which is here. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys clearly get it, or do you guys have any doubt?
No, we got it clearly.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
about Dhanala? Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah. So that's it for today's class, and I have something to tell you guys. Wait a minute. The assignment will be shared in the Google Classroom by today night, as I have other class today. By today night, the assignment will be shared in the classroom. Please check it and submit it on time. Don't submit it after the due date.
Okay.
That's it for today's class. But
Yeah.
stay here, stay here. Yeah, so 1 minute.